Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on the Silverado. Yes, it's a BMW. Yes, I'm gonna get to it soon, but we're gonna continue working on the Silverado. Yesterday, after I painted, washed the gun, and I had to leave a house. All of our cars broke down. Only what I have is a truck and the Evo. And the Evo also kinda not working, I mean, everything is good, but it needs alignment badly. I don't have time to drop it off. Anyway, it's not about that. Let's see how everything came out on the pickup truck. Man, everything looks good. No runs. There's barely any dirt, so you can see. Texture is good also. Hi. You can see reflection. Man, everything looking good. I don't see any issues. I don't see any runs. Man, that's nice. See how it came out over here? You can't even tell right now. I mean, you can slightly, but after I'll buff this out slightly, you will never gonna be able to see and tell. Let's see. Nice. Awesome, real awesome. I'm happy. Everything is nice. Let's unmask it. I'm gonna back it up and then I need to get to the front end. I'm gonna disassemble everything because the gaps not aligned. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the front end, align the gaps. I found the sensors, I have the wiring, so I want to finish the front end completely while this is still fresh. I mean, it's not tacky or anything, but it's still rubbery. That is the plan. Let's begin this episode. Got the pickup outside. Flawless, man, it's flawless, especially on the sun. Even better. So this will occur for all day today. What I wanted to do is get to this front end. We need to align the fenders with the hood. I think this fender is fine. Then the headlight needs to be adjusted with the grill. So make sure all the lines is there. We're taking this push bar off, the bumper off. There's also needs to be a wiring hook up for this headlight. So it would do sequential, I believe. Some stuff to do before I can get to the fender flares. It looks like it should be raining afternoon. So I have a fender flares here. What I need to do is I need to sand it and paint it. I can install them not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So they will have couple days at least to cure. And again, depends what kind of weather is gonna be. If it's gonna be sunny and nice, I'll put it outside on the sun. It will cure even faster. But right now, let's get the front end taken care of. I'm done with the headlight. I also ran the wiring behind the grill over here, so you can't see it through the grill behind there. So this is for sequential. Everything is hooked up. Also, this goes to fuse 39. I'm gonna have to figure something different out. Probably pull this out and see where I can tap it, or just run it into a fuse box like that. Positive, negative, ground, whatever you wanna call that. But now let's check the headlights. I think sequential, the turning light's gonna be different. Okay, ignition is on, the lights is on, and let's see, anything happens? Okay, I wonder what's wrong. Let me figure it out. What's wrong?
A few moments later.
Okay, I figured it out why we had no headlights. Because I replaced this. Do you see how it looks? Totally forgot to plug it in. Let's plug everything back in and see if anything changes. Okay. Let's see. Lights is on. What about sequential? I don't understand. I don't understand what's going on. Let's see. Nothing changes. I don't know what's going on. What I assume they're supposed to run or something. So I'm gonna do some research, figure it out, how they work, and come back.
One eternity later.
So I did find out why they're not working. Because those sequentials only for when you lock a truck, unlock a truck, you will have those lights running and blinking and doing all crazy kind of stuff. But right now, since this truck don't have any remote control, unfortunately we're not gonna be able to see. I have some spare. I think I do have a spare remote. So if I do have a spare remote, and I need to see if my scanner can program the spare remote to this truck, and then we're gonna be able to see it without even putting a grill first. What I wanted to do is pull out that hood off of there, and oh man, and in order to install anything on it, I need to paint a little grill, which I will be painting with the Fender Flayers. Okay, we'll postpone that then. I guess let's get the bumper together. Yes, so we can get the bumper together, get all those sensors in. Oh man, to get the sensors in, I need to paint it. Anyway, let's get the grill back in, reassemble everything, probably put the bumper back. We'll see. Let me see what's with other bumper, and I'm gonna make a plan. That's it. I did best what I can to make everything align. Looks really good. Middle slightly thinner, but it's hardly noticeable. This line looks really good too. That's it. I'm done here. Let's go and take care of the bumper. Let me show you what I need to do. In order for me to install all those parking sensors, I need to pull them out of here. And I thought it's gonna be easy. I guess I just forgot how not easy it's gonna be. So in order to do so, I need to take this bracket off in order to get to the wiring, and this bracket off. I can get to the wiring. I have to modify the plugs because simple reason, because I have LED lights that goes on this truck. They are over here. I'm not gonna open them up right now, because mainly what I wanted to do right now is to get those sensors out, because I need to paint them. 4 sensors off of here, 4 back sensors. Need to paint the hood grill. What else? Oh, and fender flares. So we're gonna be preparing everything for paint. Looks like the storm is coming. Let's see. Is it? Kinda isn't, but it says it's gonna be raining today. They usually never line in my area. I finally got those sensor out from the front bumper. Also found two more. I found the two of plastics. Look at the rubbers. And now I'm ready to start preparing everything for paint. You know, that's what really nice to work on the same trucks. I'm talking about GM in general, because backyard is my really junkyard. I've been looking for this wiring all over junkyards. This is the front bumper. This is the rear bumper. I've been looking for this wiring all over junkyards. I could not find it. There's nothing. I purchased the burnt one, right? I'm about to fix the burnt one. I went to a truck, start digging, and I'm like, I see a sensor. I start pulling it out, and it's a good rear bumper wiring. Yeah. Sometimes it happens like that. It happens. Oh well. Suck it up and move forward, right? Let's get this stuff prepared and painted. Tomorrow, we're gonna continue painting. There's more stuff. Because, like I said, I've been preparing some stuff. So, let's continue rolling. I'm a boy. I'm a boy. I got all the Fender Flayers prepared. They're ready to be painted, wax and greased, and I need to somehow fit them, all of them here. I only have two stands, and third one is over here under the paint table. Am I gonna have to steal this? So I have three. Then I need to find something else to put the fourth one. Something else to put all this small stuff. It's all prepared, it's all sanded. So it needs to be painted. Somehow I'm gonna have to figure this out, and we'll just continue. This is what I come up with. Two rear Fender Flayers hanging like that, so I can spray them easily. Two Fender Flayers, which is front Fender Flayers on the stands. And also, let me show you what I did with the parking sensors and these covers or whatever you want to call them. So I'm ready to mix the sealer, and while the sealer gonna be kind of activating, I'm gonna wet the floor, wax and grease all the parts, and we're gonna start painting. Alright guys, it's the next day here. I can't. Huh? That's much better. What's the noise? Anyway, it's the next day. I wanna check it out how everything came out. You ready for this?
Oh, let's see. Man, they came out really nice. I like it. I like this too. Let's check out how the Fender Flayers came out. I love it. I love it. Look, guys. Oh man, I'm finally start painting with other dirt. No, there's one. Let's see. There's another one. There's another one. Few here, but let's check this one out. This one. Oops. Oh, really? Man, it looks like it's still gonna be buffable. The clear coat is still fresh, really fresh. I can damage it easily.
I love it! Guys, I love it!
Check this one out. Perfect. No runs. No run here. No runs. Wow. Nice. Nice. Everything looks really good. I love it.
I love it, man. When I will have a real paint booth, it's gonna be totally different. I can't wait when I'll get my shop done. But before I get to working on my shop, I should say, I need to sell a couple of the projects so I can start working on it. But hey, everything came out really nice. I'm really happy. I'm not gonna touch them. No, I'm gonna touch them right now. I'm gonna move them out of here outside so they cure. But outside, man, today is probably gonna be another day of rain. Check out the weather. It's like, I mean, we might not. We'll see, because the river is over here and the weather changes really quick, especially I'm on the hill and there's a valley. We have a really big flow of the winds here, so, and weather changes over here also really quick. So I'm really happy the way the parts came out, really happy. I'm really anxious to install those fender flares on the truck, but guys, I need to let it sit for a couple days so it cures. We have other stuff to do on this truck, so we can do it. But for this episode, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you for stopping by. Instagram over here. I'll catch you next one.